Okay, for this one, the problems are down here, right? Right, here's the problems. They had a graph in there, which I didn't need. So they want us to graph these, two of them. So let's graph the first one, A, right? So again, your graph is going to look much better than mine because you're going to do it on graph paper. But again, in y equals mx plus b, right? So for A, we're doing A now. This is A. The y-intercept is 5, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? And the slope is -1, right? So it goes, that means it's going to hit here at 5, right? Slope is -1. And the symbol is less than or equal, right? It's a less than or equal symbol, which means it's going to be a solid line. So I'm going to draw a solid line, solid straight line through there as best as you can. And then we have to decide which side to shade, right? So I'm going to try a point. I'm going to try 0, 0 in there. So it was y is less than or equal to -x plus 5. I'm going to try 0, 0. 0 is less than or equal to 0 plus 5. 0 is less than or equal to 5. And that's true. That means the side with 0, 0 is part of the solution. So the graph would look like that. Okay, let's do B. Let me make some space. So for B, let me draw the axes. Okay, and this is B, right? Okay, so for B, the y-intercept is -1, right? -1. And the slope is 2/3, so that means up to 1, 2, over 3, 1, 2, 3, right? And there's the next point. Now, the symbol is greater than. That means we use a dashed line, right? So this is going to be a dashed line. It's not that easy to draw a dashed line on an iPad, but okay. So there's the dashed line. Now we need to know which side to shade. So I'm going to, again, substitute in a point. I'm going to put 0, 0 only because it's the easiest point. Well, one of the easiest points to put in. So I get 0 is greater than 0 minus 1. 0 is greater than -1. Is 0 greater than -1? Yes, it is. So then we shade the side that has 0, 0 on it. And there's our completed graph.